Dynabraid's AutoFile offers automotive shops a precise and efficient way to remove spot welds, reducing shop labor time, ultimately providing a substantial cost savings. Boron drill bits are usually expensive, break easily, and often require excessive labor, plus more effort than using the AutoFile.
Today I'd like to talk a little bit about the Dynabraid AutoFile, which is a very versatile tool for many different jobs, makes all of them a lot faster. Everything from cutting spot welds on body panels, cutting door skins, grinding welds, smoothing welds on whether it's pipes or frames on motorcycles. It is very fast and efficient.
Rather than using a dedicated drill bit to remove the spot weld, the AutoFile is much quicker and removes only the necessary metal. This belt sander cuts incredibly fast, grinding at 20,000 revolutions per minute. It features an ergonomic handle with an angled offset for greater user comfort and control.